Yet another 1970. How many of these? They're like limitless. This is a 250C. Fairly nice condition. New blower motor going in. And I get a new blower. So here's your rear air on this old 1970. The air, some squirts out on your leg, and the rest of it goes right back to get some cold air. A little bit to the rear passenger. Nothing coming down to center. We got our expansion valve right there. And right there in that black shiny area right there. Don't know if I trust it. I think I would like to look at it. Our sensing bulb is right there. The AC shop, last one did this. They put new hoses on it. And I'm getting some, where is it? Oh, I'll post it. So I just tried to, I tested it for 134 and it came up with mixed gas and showed 1234 in it too. So I just tested for 1234. Super contaminated gas, and it's from our local radiator and air conditioning shop. And who else? You know, you're the last local radiator and air conditioning shop in the whole area, and you go and do shit like this. Becomes your normal way of doing business. Yep, just not kosher, dude. All right, see you guys later. Just think, this could come to your shop and you don't have one of these, and you recover this mix of whatever it is into all your recycled refrigerant, and you become the STD of the HVAC industry, spreading it to all your customers. See you later. Don't get those STDs. There's a pill for that.